Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Just imagine, a woman is very happy because she has finally become pregnant, but after few weeks, the doctor prescribed a medicine called Sihop SR tablet. Now many questions comes to mind. Why is this medicine prescribed during pregnancy? What is progesterone? How does this tablet support pregnancy? Is it only for pregnant women? And is it also used in IVF and infertility treatment? Can everyone take this medicine? In this video, we will learn everything about CHOP 200 SR tablet, progesterone sustained release tablet. We will understand everything about the progesterone and why is it called the pregnancy hormone and what are the its uses, who should take it, who should avoid it, side effect precautions. And before understanding this tablet, we first need to understand progesterone because if you understand progesterone, understanding this medicine becomes very easy. Progesterone is natural female hormone. Progesterone is a hormone that prepares a human body for pregnancy and help maintain pregnancy. And now another question is, where does progesterone come from? Every month a human ovary release an egg. This process is called ovulation. After ovulation, a small structure called the corpus luteum start producing progesterone. If pregnancy occur, the placenta gradually take over and continue producing progesterone to support the growing baby. Before pregnancy, progesterone mainly comes from the ovary, and during pregnancy, the placenta becomes the main source. Okay, and now let's understand why doctor consider this hormone so important. Progesterone has many important jobs inside the body. It prepares the uterus for pregnancy. It makes the inner lining of the uterus thick, soft, and healthy. This lining is called endometrium. A healthy endometrium gives the fertilized egg a place to attach and grow. This process is called implantation. Without proper implantation, pregnancy cannot continue and it helps maintain pregnancy. After implantations, progesterone continue to support the uterus. It helps the baby stay safely inside the womb and during the early month of the pregnancy. And progesterone helps keep the uterus relaxed. This creates a better environment for the developing pregnancy. And now question is, what happen if progesterone level are low? Now imagine the uterus is not properly prepared. The lining is too thin or the body does not produce enough progesterone. In some women, this may lead to produce such as difficult become pregnant and difficulty supporting the early stage of the pregnancy, irregular menstrual cycle, hormone imbalance. In selected cases, doctor may prescribe CHOP 200 as a tablet to increase progesterone level and support the condition. Use of the COPSR 200 tablet is progesterone deficiency, pregnancy support, and IVF. After embryo transfer during IVF, progesterone is commonly used to support implantations and the early pregnancy, infertility treatment, recurrent miscarriage, and hormonal imbalance. And now let's talk about the side effect. Like every medicine, CHOP 200 SR tablet can also cause some side effect. Most side effects are mild and improve with time. Common side effects are sleepiness, dizziness, nausea, bloating, breast tenderness, and the mild stomach discomfort, and mood changes, fatigue. Okay, and serious side effects are the severe allergy reaction, difficulty breathing, severe chest pain, heavy vaginal bleeding are the serious side effect. Take this medicine only on your doctor advice. Do not stop it suddenly during pregnancy unless your doctor tells you. And tell your doctor if you have liver and kidney disease, vaginal bleeding, or history of the blood clot. This is Schedule H prescription medicine, so it should not be taken without a valid doctor prescription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up. Share it with your friends and family who might need this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming health and medicine video. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Bye bye.